This is the low-pass RC filter calculator for cutoff frequency, which calculates the critical parameters of a simple RC filter circuit used in signal processing and noise reduction applications. The calculator has two input fields. First is resistance R in ohms, where you enter the resistance value of your circuit. Second is capacitance C in farads, where you enter the capacitance value. For example, you'd enter 0.000001 for 1 microfarad. Once you've entered your resistance and capacitance values, click Calculate RC Filter Parameters. The Results section will display your calculated filter parameters. The primary output is the cutoff frequency, which tells you the frequency at which your filter attenuates the signal by 3 decibels. This is the point where the output power drops to half of the input power. The calculator may also show additional parameters like the time constant, which indicates how quickly the filter responds to changes in the input signal. This tool is essential for designing filters in audio circuits, power supplies, and sensor applications. Find the link in the description below.